one of my first classes was Intro to SPAD. So right first day of class, I'm starting to learn about these real sport problems, and it's immediately tapping into something I was passionate about for so long. So to be able to have that right away in first year made a really big difference. Also, just getting to know the community of Laurentian was really exciting. My name is Erin Campbell, and I'm Communications Coordinator with the Ottawa Senators. My job is mainly media relations, so anytime the media is around, I'm around as well, coordinating interviews with players, with coaches, with management staff as well. I'm responsible for all credentials for attending games with scouts and members of the media. I am also responsible for all communication about the Ottawa Senators, whether that's press releases or announcing things on our Twitter account. I just had such an incredible experience at Laurentian University. Every day I was hanging out with people who I really enjoyed, got to know, made lifelong friends. And in the program every day I was learning stuff that excited me and was also going to be useful in my future career. It absolutely got me to where I am. I can pinpoint exactly which relationships I built that got me in my career today, so I can't say any more good things about how great the program is and the school is. The SPAD program, which is the Sports Administration program at Laurentian University, is a great place for you to learn about the sport industry, for you to get real-world experience before you go out and are looking for a career in the sport world.